So he's got to hear you before he runs past it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Mickey, get out. Get out. There.
No, don't worry about it. It's fine. Okay. Let's go out. Find the ball. There. Call him back. Call him. That's it. Take the ball off him. Make nothing of it. Okay. Sort the long line out. I'll have the ball. Tell him to stay.
Stay then. Stay. Stay.
Whistle command. Okay, happy?
Sorry. Mickey, get out.
There.
There. Oh, shit. Come here.
Got a feather on his tongue, that's it. Right, this time, don't worry about that. We're gonna give the verbal cue and then I'm gonna ping the ball out, okay?
Yeah.
So try and build a bit more drive. Mickey, get out. Call him in.
Mickey, come here.
That's it. Just take that off of him.
Come here.
Okay. Do the same again, sit him up.
Stay.
Okay, this is what you want you to be doing, okay? So if you can sort of imagine how far out the lead is, we're going to go, get out! Take the ball off him. Okay, like that, okay?
Yeah.
So when I whistled him then, it was as soon as he got the ball, but it was right, come here, not give him time to think.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Get out! Ah, come here! Take the ball off him. Okay, that's what I want you to do.
Yeah.
A couple of those.
Okay.
And then we'll go back to pinging it
Yeah.
without saying the verbal cue.
Yeah.
And if he goes, he hits the end of the long line and he starts working out that actually when he hears get out, that means go.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want that?
Oh, go on then. I'll send him as I hear it.
Before you hit it. So it's
Yeah.
verbal cue, ping.
Yeah. Mickey, get out.
Say it with a bit more enthusiasm. You sound like a robot at the minute. Okay? You notice how I say it compared to how you say it. You're like, get out. I'm like, go on, get out.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay? A bit louder. Be happy about it.
Mickey, get out. Oh, God.
That's all right. That's it.
Come
Keep
here.
going. Keep whistling. Keep it in your mouth. Come here.
Come here. Same again.
Yep.
Mickey, get out. Come here. Mickey, come here.
Now get out there and be like, oh, get here, you. That's it. Make nothing of it. Sit. Got to give him the verbal cue as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so at the minute we're educating, trying to... So then you can say you can do any of those things down the line and they know what that means, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Because at the minute, sometimes you're saying sit, sometimes you're just blowing the whistle, sometimes you're saying them both.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
Because at the minute we're educating to... So later on down the line, any of one of those commands means that, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Same again.
Yeah.
Mickey, get out.
Come here, that's it.
Come here. Come here.
That's it, better.
Boy.
Right. So should we give him a breather in the back of the truck for 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you still need to brush up on
Retreat.
huh?
Retreat.
I was thinking about your verbal,
Right, yeah.
your doings.
Yeah. Okay.
Try and hold your whistle in the mouth like that the whole time.
Yeah.
if you can. Then learn to talk with it.
Okay. Give that a go.
Yeah, I'll take that. Go on, tell him what you say to.
Mickey, get on.
That's it. Then we're going to walk back this way. Okay, and he will turn around and. Okay, if you walk on by, okay, I'm going to fire the starting pistol over here. See what he's like. Ready? Keep walking.
Mickey, come here. Come here. Mickey. Mickey, come here. Mickey.
Well, he's not scared of it, is he?
Come here. Mickey.
Get on that long line then.
Come here. Here.
Okay. Right, keep hold of the long line, just the end of it, okay? We'll take a break there and come back out after.